Spring forward, fall back. That's an easy way to remember which way to set your clock come daylight savings.
Our favorite? Definitely fall. That extra hour of sleep not only feels like heaven, it also has an enormous skin pack.
This is one skin myth your mother had right. There is such a thing as your beauty sleep.
That's right, but it's actually as much about quality as it is about quantity. 10 hours of restlessness is no match for a solid 6 to 8 hours of deep, relaxed slumber.
So, how can you maximize your Z's? Well, with our busy schedules, we've made the science of sleep an art form.
Some folks say if you want to sleep like a baby, think like a bear. We say, why not sleep like a baby bear?
Good point. First, create a sleep-conducive environment by keeping the room cool. My ideal? 62 degrees. But keep your bed warm with plenty of blankets.
Second, turn out all the lights. Dim your digital clock and even don a silky sleep mask if needed. Your body's circadian rhythms require dependable cycles of light and dark.
Third, unplug. Even if you use your phone alarm, you can turn down your ringer and silence text and email alerts. All those dings throughout the night might have you running to your computer.
Yeah, it happens to me. If noise is a nuisance, try a sound machine or a white noise app for your smartphone. Earplugs are also a lifesaver if you share your bed with someone who snores.
Sometimes calming the mind and body can require a little extra help. Melatonin is a natural sleep aid, and when taken sublingually, which means under the tongue, it's especially effective.
No matter when and where you get your sleep, try to avoid lying on your stomach or side. Sleeping on your back avoids hours of skin-crushing pressure from your pillow. That's just extra aging you don't need.
Finding it hard to retrain your body? Try a pillow beneath your knees. It relieves back pressure and keeps you from rolling back into bad behaviors.
I'm just feeling sleepy talking about it.
Me too. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. I'm Dr. Katie Rodan.
I'm Dr. Kathy Field.
Skin, it's a beautiful thing.
Wear it well.
Skin Packed. It's not about celebrities. It's about you.
And for advice on your journey to great skin, visit our blog at dermrf.com.